Hi, my name is Bill Feaver, and I wanted to share with you some things about my company, the Home Business Academy, that I'm an affiliate with, and how to generate $3,000 a month. If you're just starting, that's a good way to get started and to uh, build your business from the ground up. So let me see if I can share my screen with you, and we'll go to there. Share there. Okay. Um, so so if you can generate $3,000 per month, you're on your way to building, and this is residual income. This is income that as you develop it will come in month after month after month, and then you can go on and develop your next $3,000 a month. And so the plan that has been established by my leaders and to help us new people get started is to build a business to $3,000 a month of residual income in 90 days. And so let's get started. Uh, the number one thing to do is to focus on what you can control, what I can control. Okay. And number two, figure out the mathematical formula to the $3,000 a month based on your compensation plan. You can do it for any business, but uh, what I'm going to lead you through is how the steps, and then I'm going to refer you to another video that will walk you through for the Home Business Academy, which pays, by the way, 80% commissions on all things sold. So if they have about 3 or 4 products that some are one-time commissions, but the residual incomes commissions can give you $120 a month per person that you sign up. So if you signed up, just do the math. If you signed up to 20 people, then you're close to between $2,000 and $3,000 a month right there. So I think it's 25 people, and that's a doable thing. So I want you to just analyze that or think about that. Okay, the mathematical formula is what amount of money do you earn residually from one person paying for your product monthly? Not the upfront money, the residual money, month 2 and beyond. And then with that number, how many active members does it take to earn $3,000 per month? At a 2% conversion rate, how many leads do you need to generate one sale? And at a 30% opt-in rate, how much traffic do you need to convert to that amount of leads? So those are factors that you need to look at your plan and figure out and answer those questions. And that will get you to the $3,000 a month. Number 3, sales system and tools needed. You need a website and a funnel builder to collect leads. That's what the Home Business Academy is. Basically, it has a funnel builder that is probably one of the best there is. It costs $25 a month, and if you're an affiliate, you get $20 on that a month. So that's right there is something. High-paying affiliate program in combination with the lower-paying programs. Home Business Academy has their premium plan, which is $125 a month. And if you're an affiliate, you would get $100 of that a month. The premium plan is set up to give you a lot of educational things that you need to set up, grow, and develop and grow your business. Okay. And we also recommend autoresponders. So you need a funnel or a system to gather emails, and you need an autoresponder to keep lists and organize lists and to send out mass emailings. Okay. The premium plan gives you the marketing and training that you need, that we have. There's other plans probably, but that's what you need to convert and to get that $3,000 a month. We also have some very successful people that can give us live coaching. We have a Monday night mastermind call where you can ask questions directly, and one of our owners and leaders is Mike Hobbs, and I'm going to be referring you to his information later, but the videos that he presented, but also he has an over-the-shoulder training every week so that you can just observe what he does and ask questions. So that's a big, big help. Also, there's other people, other leaders that are willing and able to help you with any problem you have. We also have a chat through Telegram where you can pose questions and leaders respond to you right away, or anybody can respond to you that's part of our business. Thank you. From there. Marketing methods. Do you have a marketing budget, or do you have to market for free? Those are things you need to think about as you get started. If you don't have the money, you can get leads for free, and we will help you find those. How much of your earnings, if you do have money to do, how much of your earnings when you start to make sales do you plan to reinvest into marketing? I believe Mike says that he reinvests 20%. I've been reinvesting all of my money back into marketing at this point in time until I build up a business. But there's paid marketing methods like PPC, banners, emails, etc. And there's free marketing methods through using SEO, social media, blogging, and etc. So those are some of the things that will be talked about more in depth as you go through our system, or if you choose to participate. Action steps right now. Join HBA Funnel Builder and Premium. I have an offer below on this video that you can get started right away. Purchase an autoresponder. Duplicate this funnel. Start marketing with the HBA Premium Traffic and Conversions Training. And show up every Monday night for live marketing coaching and Mike Hobbs over the shoulder. I said one, that should be over the shoulder coaching each Thursday. So that's basically it. I just want to tell you that I believe in this program. I'm getting started in it, but I'm seeing results, and I'm having a little bit of fun doing it. So take a look below, investigate it, and I encourage you to make a decision if you want to make money online.